So this is our last day of tour. So this is the presidential park. We are not allowed to enter inside there, or it's allowed, but we go another side here only. Okay. Ganda ng view, di ba? Snow is real talaga. Ang lamig. Love it. We are in the city. Meaning Almaty. Alma is apple. Apple. Al is apple. Mati is grandfather. Wonderful. Look at that. It's perfect. Looks like you're in Switzerland, but it's not Switzerland. Do this. Let's do this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, perfect. Wow. Look at that. See? Freezing.